Hi everybody, Alex Deploy here from Expert Forex, and in this video we're going to look at the over 1,000 videos that have been produced by Expert Forex and how you can benefit from these videos and how you can find the information that you need and how you can actually make money from every single video that we've produced. So if you are serious about making money in Forex trading or in general just want to make money, this is the video that you should be watching. On your screen you can see the YouTube Expert Forex channel. We have over 1,000 YouTube videos and almost 100 playlists sorting those videos into the subjects that they deal with. And let's have a look at those. Here are the videos. Click on them and then you can get a list of those particular videos going down and down and down. This list is in date order, but YouTube allows you to sort them in a most popular and date added from the oldest perspective or from the newest perspective. And you can see some of our videos have had amazing views of over 200,000 views. Then when you click on the playlist, the videos are sorted that reflect the subject that these videos are all about. And you can scroll down and look at the playlists which reflect your main interest. So that's how you can find videos that you would like to see. But the other way of doing that is if you want to find a video about a particular topic or subject, you just type in Expert Forex in the YouTube search facility, and followed by the topic that you want to look for. And let's say make money EA, and we click on that, and then you'll get a list of all the Make Money EA videos, and there they are. You can see it goes down a long way. Now the other way that we've made it easier is on our website we have a popular Forex video playlist page where we list the various playlists that are most important to Forex traders, and there you can see the various playlists. They deal with our specific products but also trading concepts and things like that. And here for instance we have an EA optimization playlist of nearly 100 videos showing how you can test and optimize your EAs, and the list goes on further down. And here you can see there are 63 videos about free Forex tools that are quite interesting and so on, and every product we have has a number of videos explaining the product and showing some of the results achieved by using that particular tool. Furthermore, we have a how-to Forex videos list where we extract the most relevant questions that people ask when trading Forex, and there are things like how to load an EA onto your platform, how to load set files into your EAs, there's beginner videos there, and what to do if your Forex robot doesn't trade. Those kind of how-to videos are quite handy and you can find them on this particular page. The links to these pages will be in the description of the video as well as in the commentary of the video. Now here's the part where you can make money from almost any of these videos, in that we have a partner plan where all you have to do is send prospective clients to our Forex videos and you will get paid a share of the sale price should those particular prospective clients end up purchasing any of our products. So it's a fantastic way that you can make money from just promoting Forex videos. Now I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope that I've given you lots of ways of finding firstly the information that you need for your Forex trading or for your Expert Forex robot, and also information about how you can make money from promoting Expert Forex YouTube videos. So from me, Alex Deploy, cheerio.